Hey guys, welcome to another video of the Learn Pandas series that I have started on my channel. So in this video I just quickly wanted to go over how to select rows from a data frame based on a column value. So it's a very common scenario. Traditionally with databases we used to apply filter conditions. It's something similar to that. Like for example, if you let's say have a database, you will apply a filter condition on a select statement that would look something like this. So select star from table where C value and column name is equal to some value. So it's just the same thing. How do we do that in a pandas data frame? Data frame is very similar in behavior to database tables. So let's see how it is done in a pandas data frame. So for that, first of all, let's create a simple data frame, dummy data frame. So for that I'll say import pandas as pd, also import numpy as np. Okay, and then let's create a data frame pd dot data frame. So I have already added some dummy values and I have a template ready for a data frame, so I'll just use that. So essentially it has three columns, A, B and C. Column A containing these strings and column B containing these, and then C is just a numeric column with some numeric data, random numeric data. Okay, so let's try to see what we get in our data frame by printing it. Okay, so let's see what we get as the print output. Okay, something is not right. Oh, I see. So I have chosen a different environment, so let's go and check it again. So yeah, so this is how our data frame looks like as of now. Now let's say I have a requirement where I want to select a specific basically I just want to select, let's say I just want to select all the rows where the value of A is foo. So how to do that? So for that what we can do is we can say df dot loc df, and then basically it's a reference or it's a mask that we are applying. So what we'll say is that in the column A for data frame, wherever we find the value foo, I just want those values. Okay, so for that let's try to print it and see what happens. Yeah, so if you see here in the output, wherever we had the value of A set up as foo, it got printed. So this is one way to select. Now let's see, let's say if you don't want to filter it based on just one value. Let's say you want to filter it on two values. For example, in column B you want to say I want all rows where B has a value 1 and 3, let's say. So how to do that? So for that we will say df dot loc df and then B is in. So is in, that's the function to use, is in, and then we can pass a list of all the values that we are looking for. So we want to pass 1 and we also want to pass 3. Okay, so let's print this and see what we get as the output. Okay, so here you see, so this is the output. Now we got all the rows where the column B had the value 1 or 3. Okay, so this is another way. Now another way that I wanted to show is basically if we want to, I mean, one way is what I've shown here, but it's not very efficient to search the values if we have to constantly search it in a particular column only. So what we can do is we can convert that column to an index in the data set. So let's say we want to search the values prominently and frequently on column B, so we can convert that to an index. How to do that? So this is df dot set index dot set index, and we'll say column B. So this way it will be set to an index, and once it is set to an index, the way we can simply search the values or filter the values is in this way: df dot loc. And what we can do is, because it's an index, we can simply say I just want to filter all the values with index or all the values with in column, all the rows with column B having the value 1. So this is how we do it. Let's try to print it. The reason it works is now because B column is an index, so we can directly reference the values as string indexes. So let's try to print this out. Yeah, so if you see here, all the values which had 1 in the index column B got printed. So this is another way. Then let's say if you want to include multiple indexes in the same way that we did earlier in this example, let's say we want to do the same thing here. So what we'll say is, we'll say print location 1, same thing that we did. You will use the index is in function, but this time because it's an index column, we'll say index dot is in, and then we'll simply keep the same values 1 comma 3. Okay, and then we will close this and this as well. Okay, sounds about right. Okay, no, so this is the mask that I've created. So now I also have to basically refer to this mask. So this is how we do it. Okay, so let's try to print this and see what we get. Yeah, so we got all the values which had 1 or 3 in the index column B. Now if we compare this to this result, it will be same, the only difference being B is not an index column here, but it's an index column here. So these are a few of the ways that I wanted to share as to how to select values. The index one that I shared, it's basically useful if we have to frequently search within a same specific column. So that in terms of efficiency, this approach is better than not choosing B as an index. So I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll try to come up with some more videos with something similar. Thanks a lot.